Okay, let's say you're playing as defensive. You want to set up your burst off. You want to teleport in as quickly as possible. Grab ammo if it's necessary. If not, you can run forward and grab ammo later. And you're going to want to set up your lever spot you deem necessary. Watch where the engineers play. Stick with your team. But try and be fast in everything you do. You don't have a lot of time during this setup. You want to move as quickly as possible and get everything set up.
Dispenser going up.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
And bam, those two are already down. Ammo's already up. Run over here. Grab ammo. Switch. Already got this ready to build. I know the enemies are going to shoot me because it's still build time.
Teleporter going up.
Grab ammo. And we're already building this. Building as quickly as
Mission
possible.
begins in 10 seconds.
Backing up.
This to here. You want to be here. You want to have to back into the wall so the spies can't get you. Here. Grab ammo. And round started. The enemy could be coming. So, keep moving. You want to get your steam gun up to level 1, or level 3 as quickly as possible. Have ammo as soon as it respawns if we can. And once this is up, you want to go over here. You want to build this up to level 2. And hopefully you'll have a teammate back at the front, or back at your base, and building things up. It's always nice to do. Now you can just switch to an engineer, build up all the teleporters, and go play whatever class you're going to play to begin with. Get to level 2. You finish off here, grab this ammo. Hopefully an enemy hasn't come here by now. Build this one up to level 2. And by this time you've got yourself a little engineer nest. Finish this up to level 3. And you don't want to have yourself put together too close because a spy can obviously sap all your traps and run circles. This. And you don't want that. And bam! Everything's built up completely full, and we're about 30 seconds into the round. And hopefully your teammates are still fighting, and they push it forward. With the spot right here, sometimes you need to move. First thing you want to do is
I'm moving this. That there wasn't getting any lighter.
Move it. And you don't want to put your dispenser in front of where this line of fire is going to be. It won't shoot through your dispenser. You want to try and push back and
That
put
was
it
getting
as far back
heavy.
as possible. Give as large a cone of fire as possible. You can hide here. You can go to spot GG's, stab. And that's basically how you set up on offense. Well, it's obviously a lot different for defense. Let's go do that now. And we're back on defense. This is CP Steel by my good friend Fishbus. And as with the defense, you want to get this teleport up as quickly as possible. This is for a map where you can actually build while waiting for the time to go. Usually you can't.
Build in the center.
Build here so you can watch this line of fire without a pyro being able to quickly get you. Still be shot by soldiers. Grab this.
Dispenser going up.
And build right here. Grab ammo again. Building. And again, you're building another engineer nest. And the enemy can't get back here, so you're not too worried about spies being able to sap everything, but you don't want something too close together, so demo may destroy it all at once. You don't really care if this is built up. You don't want to grab too much, you don't have that for refilling ammo. Go over here, build up your teleporter. 10 seconds ish left. Grab ammo.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Kind of missed that first swing, that's not good. And now we're done. Grab this ammo, sit over here. This is preparing you, and you're ready for when those doors open. And that's what you want to do as defense. Let's I keep going. Let's say you've taken
I'm moving this.
and you want to move forward. Basically, as an engineer, you're the line of scrimmage. Everyone has to be, or you decide where your team's going to be coming from. This is a really bad spot to be. Usually you want to try and build it right here.
Go on, get.
There's a line of fire you can get. Or actually, even best, if there's an area, like, say, over here that's inaccessible until, I believe, until B's taken, if you can get over here and pop the sucker down and just run. Don't let the enemy see that you're back here. And just go back to fighting. When that teleporter gets up, your whole team is spawning behind there.
Backing
If you
up.
want to get damn sneaky, you obviously wouldn't carry this. You'd use the supplies back here and build this up. You can put the gun right here. Put it at a corner here so it has a large line of defense. No one can get behind you. A spy can sometimes want to be here.
Moving out.
Teleporter would be
That was
here.
getting heavy.
And blow that up.
Erecting a dispenser.
And you can just sit on the moving. You sit on top of here, and you
I'm moving this
factor here. So you can sit on top and repair, get your back to the wall, falling off the chimney. And it's very hard for the spy to get you, especially if you angle it just right. And you're pretty good on the defense. And it's damn hard for an enemy to get up here. Really, only a spy or an Uber is going to be a problem. Yeah, that's defense. And of course, let's do one more thing. And now I'll show you how to play as an assault engineer. Very much the same. You start off down as quickly as possible, keep moving. And unlike the regular one, you're going to be constantly on the move as you're attacking, as a regular play. As attack, you want to stick with your group, stay up close, grab ammo when you can, and usually the attack on this map, I'll play how I normally would. You want to maneuver. You don't want to get in combat too quickly. Usually when about here, they'll be shooting. Just pull right. The enemy's here, pull right.
Building
Drop
the
your
sentry.
Get to work at it. And when this gets destroyed, just quickly grab another one.
Sentry
Place it
going
down,
up.
keep fighting. You're constantly moving forward. Usually you'll be like that. You will grab this point. I won't actually grab it, but you'll be fighting with them on this point. Put down your sentry.
Building the sentry.
Grab the point, capturing with them. Once you've taken that point, just keep moving. You can actually leave your sentry up so it can defend for you as you move. But don't be too attached to those little mini sentries, they don't matter. And you're moving up with this team, and you're constantly just throwing down new sentries.
Sentry going up.
And I know I'm moving a little bit fast. It's just my regular speed. And this is how you do an attack engineer. Stick with your group. Don't try and be a one-man army. I wouldn't really use this shotgun. I'd use the, what is it? I can see all my items. I'd normally go with your genuine Widowmaker, or Widowmaker in general, for this, because you can grab ammo as quickly as anything else, and these guys only cost 100, so as long as you don't miss a whole bunch of shots, you should be fine. And that's how you play as an assault engineer, basically. And I'll start doing map-specific setups in my next videos. Any comments, feel free to post. This is Pain.